Okay, day 13, excuse me. Packed up and back on trail. Just left Boulder Creek campsite. And so there's no fresh water there, it was all glacial, so that was a shit. This looks like it's Boulder Creek, as you can see the walkway across the creek here. But this is glacial too, and I wasn't expecting it. Okay, I'm going again. We found a good clear stream there where we filtered some water and did some laundry. So that's hanging off the back, so it's all good for tonight. So yesterday we walked from Pinto Lake up the Cataract Creek Valley and over Cataract Pass. Ooh, didn't expect that one. That was a little bit of a toughie. Different terrain, bit of a moonscape, and the geology was just awesome. I wish I knew a little bit more about it. Okay, we just passed 4 Point campground, and so like I was saying, we ascended 1,100 meters yesterday, descended 800, went over Cataract Pass, windier and shit. And then after we descended, then we landed on the headwaters of the Brasso River and went through a lot of boulder fields, all sorts of different geology, landed in Boulder campground. And no fresh water, like I said, and had a pretty good night there. Forgot to mention it was a 30-kilometer day yesterday, so we were pretty beat by the time we got to camp. Today it's probably about a 32-kilometer hike. Hoping not too strenuous, looking at the profile, and got a couple of pitches, first thing right here and then at the end of the day. But it should be all good. I think it's gonna be a good day. Okay, talk to you later. I want to give a shout out to Ian, aka the professor. Met him at Yoho campground. I was having lunch. Him and his daughter was camping out, I think for the weekend or something. And anyway, I had a pretty good conversation. He said that he was going to be up Owen Creek kind of the following week, and lo and behold, hooked up with him again at Michelle Lake, and we actually hiked together from Michelle Lake to Pinto Lake, then from Pinto to Boulder. It was really cool to spend a couple of days with Ian, and if you've seen this Ian, it was great. Had a lot of laughs, and pretty knowledgeable guy. He's a grade 11, 12 math and physics teacher in Canmore. I can see how his physics courses could be somewhat entertaining. Heavy on the somewhat. How can physics be entertaining? Come on, Ian. Okay, so you can't mistake Ian on the trail. He's got the cutout OR hat. He's also a seamstress. So it looks like a bit like a bonnet. Yes, Ian, it does. So anyway, we'll carry on. Jonas shoulder. Whoa! 2,480 meters. It's not pretty biggie, but came up there. Now we go down this way. You see the trail down there. Zoom in. There we go. Goes out that way. Okay. Let's do this. Well, after coming off of Jonas Pass, or the Jonas Shoulder, I ended up stopping at Jonas campsite for lunch. Nice spot. So now I've got another 9 kilometers to Waterfalls campground, and it should be downhill all the way, supposedly, according to the contours. And so that looks good. So hopefully get into camp about 4:30, which would suit me just fine. Okay. Well, it looks like the smoke is getting a little bit better. Compared to this morning, it was pretty socked in. But so this is the Pobacton Creek that will go right by our campsite tonight.